you all. Students, we were doing our second chapter, that is nutrition in animal, and I have told you that we have different categories for division of animals according to their food habits, like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Okay, and next we have done that nutrition is a process in which there is intake of food from external sources and utilization of nutrients present in the food for energy, growth, and development. Then I have told you that there are different steps of nutrition carried out for animals, and we all animals are showing holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, animals and amoeba kind usually shows us type of nutrition, and the step involved are: first I have explained you ingestion, then digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion. Up to here I have explained you that such type of process takes place in our nutrition process. Now today we are going to start our page number 16, which explain you the human digestive system. Students, you should know that the human digestive system have different organs. For example, it will start from mouth and it is end up on anus. So the first organ which is starting the our digestive tract, that is mouth. The another name of mouth is oral cavity or buccal cavity. Then after organ, after mouth, we have esophagus. Another name of esophagus is food pipe. Students, the spelling of esophagus is starting with O, but here O is silent. So we will pronounce it esophagus. So what is the another name of esophagus? That is food pipe. Then after after first start with mouth, then after mouth we have food pipe, then after food pipe, stomach, then small intestine. After small intestine we have large intestine, then rectum, and in the last we can say that anus. So alimentary canal, another name is digestive tract. Okay, it depends upon the length of an organism and it varies person to person. For example, it is usually 8 to 10 meter long in adults. Okay, so our alimentary canal is also known as digestive tract, and it will start with mouth and end up in anus. Okay, so let us start first of all with mouth. In mouth you can see that we have different more organs. For example, we have tongue, we have teeth, and we have salivary glands. Okay, so the digestion start from mouth, or we can say the digestion start from buccal cavity with the help of saliva, tongue, and teeth. Now come to saliva. What is saliva? The watery substance present in our mouth is usually named as saliva. Student, you must have seen sometimes when your favorite eating things are in front of you, then your mouth automatically start releasing water. What is that? That is saliva only, and saliva contain salivary glands. Okay, and these salivary glands have a enzyme named as salivary amylase, or another name of salivary amylase is ptyalin. Ptyalin. Tyline. This tyline help most of the starch to be digested inside the mouth only. We can say 30% of the starch get digested, such as maltose, in our mouth only. If we eat the food with chewing, then what will happen? Then our half of the food, 30% of the food get digested in the mouth only with the help of saliva and teeth. Okay. Now, what is the role of saliva? Another role, saliva act as a lubricant. Lubricant means it make the food slippery so that it can move from one part to another. For moving the food from one part to another, we have one more muscular tongue which help our food to get the movement, or to turn it, or to mix the food with saliva. So after saliva, the role of tongue start. What is the role of tongue? You must have seen that a tongue help us to turn or to mix the food with saliva and to move the food from the chewed food from mouth to esophagus. There are number of taste buds present on tongues. Usually we have 4 taste buds that are present in our tongue, that is sweet, salt, sour and bitter. These are related to our sense organ and help us to detect different type of taste. So mouth, I have explained you that mouth have saliva, tongues, and then come the turn of teeth. Students, in our mouth we have different type of teeth. Okay, you must have heard that you all are students and small child. Then from the age of 6 months to age of 8 years, you have almost 20 milk teeth that grow, but we can say that these are temporary teeth. Okay, after a temporary teeth you will have a set of permanent teeth when you grow up after the age of 6. And the number of teeth present in our mouth is 32, 16 in each jaw. Okay, and I can give you the dental formula also, that is 2123. 2123 upside and 2123 downside. So I think you have got the idea that how in our digestive system mouth plays a very important role inside our body. So rest of the organs we will complete in our next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.